Hey guys, welcome to Kellett Farms. So this will be a new YouTube channel I'll be doing here. We're gonna have anywhere from baling hay to picking corn to feeding cows, all sorts of stuff. So today we're gonna do a little bit of a farm tour. We're gonna kind of show you guys what we got on the farm here. Noted, none of the stuff is mine, so it's obviously my dad's, but I hope to eventually one day to inherit it and buy the equipment from my dad or whatever once he gets a little bit older. So we can start a farm tour. I'll show you guys what we have in the sheds and all the barns, cows, everything. So to start off here, got a 2000 Chevy 1500. This will be my first truck I ever bought. It's got a flatbed on it, obviously. I just bought the flatbed a couple years ago. Probably 6 months after I bought the truck, I put the flatbed on it. Bradford built. My brother has one. I've heard good things about him, so why not buy one? This was my other brother's truck, and it did him pretty good. He just got a newer truck for him. He got a 3/4 ton. He started a new job, got a new truck. So I bought this one from him, and it's been pretty good. So just gotta keep up with the oil changes and stuff, and should go good. So right here we have a LX 565 New Holland skid loader. My dad has 2 more of these. He has a little bit of a landscaping company in town there. These have always been really good to us. I mean, we don't really have any problems with them besides the cylinders on the front. I mean, sometimes they'll go out, but this is probably a 25-year-old machine. It's the first one my dad bought back in the day when he started. Started in '98, and he's still going today. So it's a nice tractor. I mean, or not tractor, skid steer, but it runs good. I'll switch out the tires every couple of years. Start to get bald, but other than that, it's been a hell of a machine, But we use it for our accumulator, our bale accumulator. It can hold 8 bales on the accumulator. It's like a grapple. We put them up on the mound, so that's really nice. These come in handy. You can get in tight spaces with them and everything. So, and then right over here, it's not our combine. It's our neighbor. He puts it here in the wintertime, and he rents out the barn from us. It's a 8010, isn't it? K-8, 8010. Yep, 8010 combine. So that's all his. I'm not going to talk about it. It's not mine. I don't know much about it. But it is a big machine, I will say that. Hardly fits in here. So, but over here is a 1998 3500 1-ton dump truck. It's also my dad's. It's involved with the landscaping truck. He bought it, I want to say about a year ago. Bed works. Got new mirrors for it. It's a nice truck. So we can do a little bit of a cold start for you too, if you guys want. How's your sound?
Pretty good.
No, it's a good dump truck. We have it for sale if anybody's interested.
How much you guys want for it?
$7,500 OBO. But it's a nice dump truck. We just got 3 or 4 of them back at the company, or at the Mark services and everything. But we just don't need any more. It's been a hell of a truck though. It is nice. So, what? Right over here is my pride and joy, I like to say. It is a 1965 4020 power shift. Now, 420s made power shifts and synchro transmissions. We just so happen to have a power shift. And what I mean by power shift here, I'll show you guys. So on the synchros, you gotta push in the clutch every time to shift. On the power shifts, you can just push her all the way up. You ain't got to push in the clutch or anything, and it does us really good. So, I'll hand the camera back to him. But we've had this for 15, 20 years, I think. Dad bought it the year after he bought the farm, so it's really nice. It's got 4,000 hours on it. Yeah, 4,200 it says. It's a really nice machine. I mean, it does all of our needs. It runs the hay mowers, teders, and rakes. Obviously, it's not brand new. There are some dings to it, but that's just what happens when you use your equipment. You know what I mean? You're gonna have some vents and nuts and stuff like that. But it's had some hours on it, that's for sure. But it is nice. Put the canopy on it a few years back, and it's really nice. Still got the radio on there from when we got it, so that's pretty cool. But it's got 2 hydraulic remotes on it. We'll go this way. Got hoist in the front, obviously. Yep, 2 remotes on here, 3-point, 540, 1,000 PTO. So it can run, you know, it could run our batwing if we really needed it to, but it'd be a lot for this tractor. So, but overall, 1965, pretty good tractor if you ask me. So, we'll come over here to our batwing. 2615 bush hog batwing is what it is. 15 foot, 1,000 PTO. We run this on our 100 Power Star 100 New Holland tractor. It's not here right now. We bought it probably about June, July of this year. It runs really good behind our tractor. It just mows over stuff like it's nothing. It's unbelievable what it can do, really. It's got the flex, so it can flex if you're not on level ground. It kind of flex a little bit. So, and then we'll go to the accumulator over here that I was talking about earlier in the video. So this is our accumulator / grapple. It's grapple 8 bells, like I said. Got all the hooks on it here. And I have the cylinder there where you can grapple it, and then the bales pick them up. And then these spacers here where the holes are, you put a bar through there, and it separates. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8 through there if you're accumulating out in the field. That's really nice. We run on skid steers and put it on our loader tractor if you really wanted to and everything. So, and then bucket, forks, and bale spear all for our skiddies and tractors and such. So, we're gonna check out the cows and stuff. These are our last 2 feeder calves, or excuse me, fat calves that we have for the year. They've been getting so high priced lately. It's hard to buy back in them, you know, just like everything else. I'm gonna check them out. Got my grandpa's horses in there. Been trying to kind of clean this area up past couple years and kind of show and stay a little bit. But we got another grain bin. We hauled this one up here. I got corn in this one from this year's crop. So, just waiting for them prices to go up because they're on low. Over here, got a 1963 Chevrolet Nova parts car. My dad has another one. And one of our New Holland rakes. We got 3 of these bar rakes that we use for hay making. This is our cattle lot here. We got the east lot, main lot, and west lot. We got 3 lots all in a row there. We got a big old cattle tub. Got the chute where you can run them out here, tag them, patch up whatever you need to do with them. So we just got 2 feeder calves, like I said earlier. This is the last thing we're down to. So, but no. So there's some more storage over there on the right side of that barn. You can put some of our old seed and stuff like that, cattle box, everything. So. Well, this will probably be the end of the video for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I have to get this YouTube channel kind of up and going here in the next couple of weeks and months and stuff like that. So, hope you guys have a good one. So, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you.